3 studies of my late mom done at the time. The one on the left I did with a kind of fine line felt pen. The one on the left dated March 7th, 2011. She was dozing. The one on right in the frame dated March 3rd, 2011. That was her birthday. So that would have been her drawn on her 92nd birthday, if I'm counting correctly. This was might have been the last study I ever did of her. Mom dozing March 2nd, 2018. So that was the day before her 98th birthday. And that was in pencil. All right, there you have it, my mom of blessed memory. We'll take a walk over here. Probably didn't get too much reflection. First ago, a portrait of her father's mother, my mother's paternal grandmother, and one of my great-grandmothers, Zlata Barszewski of Białystok, northeast Poland, who was murdered by the Nazis. My mother's uncle, Liebel, who had moved to Berlin with his wife Hindel, who was from Lithuania. They had 2 children, one born in 1923, the other, I have to look up the exact year, might have been 1929. And they were all murdered by the Nazis. So he would have been my great uncle. And he was a brother of my mother's father, who I knew growing up, who died in 1968 in New Jersey. All right, of all blessed memory now.